with your use the menu transform, compute variable. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna use the salary increase, for example, INC. Okay, for the new variable, the type variable, label. So these are the label of that variable. So for example, you put that it's total increase in pay. Okay, we continue. Now the numeric expression over here, so we know that the one if the salary increase is the current salary. Okay, put it over here minus the beginning salary. Okay, that formula. Okay, so it's a meaning that you just minus between the two salary. Click OK, and then you will see at your data there is a new variable. Like you put salary increase, this is the label, total increase in pay. Okay, if you go to your data view, then we have here. So meaning that annually the first respondent have an increased pay of 7,000. Okay, the next one 17,000. The third one 11,000 and so on. Okay, since they started working at the bank. This is annual increment. So 7,000 divided by 12. So not so much. Okay. So now that is if you want to compute between two variables. So there is a 474. Just rather than copy down formula in Excel, you can just use the transform compute variable. Now, what if, let's say, we only want to compute for a certain group? Okay, for example, let's look the variable. We have job category, right? The employment category. See the values. We have clerical, office trainee, MBA trainee, and so on. So, for example, if I am, as the CEO or the CFO is giving bonus to the security officer, okay? Any security officer would get like, in December would get, increased pay of, let's say, 1,000, okay? So this is annual, so it would be bonus of 12,000 times 12, right? 1,000 times 12. So to do that, click OK, transform, compute variable. Okay, I'm just going to click reset here. So we start from the beginning. Now let's say I'm going to type this new variable is bonus. Okay, type and label is end of the year bonus, and we are giving it to the security officer. Okay, continue. So here, let's say I'm just going to put 12,000. Okay, no lah, just 1 month bonus, 6K, 1,000. Right, 1,000. So here, notice at the down here, there is if. Okay, if meaning that only a certain condition is satisfied, those will get this bonus. So for example, if we click here, include if case satisfied condition, so we are going to take the job category, which is equal security officer just now is number 3, right? So put number 3. Okay, click continue. Okay, so you have the bonus. Only if the job category is equal to 3, they will get 1,000. Click OK. Alright, so you would see in your bank there is a new file, a new variable, bonus, okay, of a scale. Right, and then only if they are security officer here, they would have the 1,000 bonus. Okay, so only security officer got the bonus. So now let's now compute, for example, the current salary plus the bonus for the end of the year, the December pay. So let's create a new one. Transform, compute variable. Okay, let's reset. So we start from the beginning. Target variable, for example, December pay. Okay, December pay. Okay, I'm gonna take December pay, end of the year. So much meaning that is current salary plus bonus. Okay, those who have bonus will add 1,000. Those who didn't, wouldn't be add. So here, let's take the current salary plus bonus. Okay, then you will see there is a new variable which is December pay. Okay, which with the label that we typed before, December pay, current salary plus bonus, and the data view you would see here only the security officer is the one computed. Okay, with the bonus of 1,000. So for example, the current salary is here, yeah, 12,300. It becomes 13,300. Okay, so now here you see the rest is not computed because this is the salary plus missing value, so it will become missing value. So the way to correct that, let's recode this one, the bonus one. The one with the missing value would become 0. So transform, recode into the same variable because I just want to override it, the one with the missing value. So let's take the bonus. Okay, bonus variable. Old and new value, for example, everything that is missing, I'm just gonna put it as a 0 rather than missing. Okay, click add. So system missing will become 0. Click continue. Click OK. So you will see here, so everything is 0 rather than missing. It becomes 0 then 1,000. So now, if you want a value to here for December pay, So transform again, compute variable. So here, if you just run it again, salary plus bonus, the one who didn't get any bonus will also change the existing variable, click OK, would also be computed. Okay? So now rather than it plus missing value, it plus 0. Okay, so that is when if you want to compute with a condition. Yeah? Like I said previously, if you are, you work at, for example, as a server at a restaurant, there is a triple pay, there is a double pay, and so on. You can compute like that. Right? So using the transform compute variable, if you want to add on condition, click if. Transform compute variable, if you want to add any condition, if. Okay? That is all for today. If you have any question, please raise up your hand. I will come to you. Any question? No. Yes, before I dismiss the class, let's go to your spectrum. Just want to share with you a reminder and also an update on your course information. Okay, if you scroll down, week 11 and week 12, we're gonna have a Christmas holiday and also New Year holiday. So for these 2 weeks, there will be no class. Okay? But you will be administered a group assignment of 30%. Okay? So do that. If you, we will post the question at the spectrum and then form your group. So the submission of the deadline is 7 January. So meaning this is the Sunday of the New Year, but there is no class. Okay, 2 weeks you do that. Group assignment 30%. Afterward, coming back from that break, week 13 and week 14, we will do your final assessment. Okay. Week 13 is allocated for the first alternative assessment, 25%, which is Microsoft Excel. Okay, your class test, you did it on paper, right? For this one, it will be 1 hour, 25% you will do using your computer. Okay, 25%. So please ensure occurrence 3 on 9 January, you are not absent, because this is 25% of your marks. Following week, week 14, another assessment. Okay, so for alternative assessment 2, this is for IBM SPSS statistics, which is on week 14. Occurrence 3 is on 16 January. Again, please don't be absent because this is grading for 25%. In total, this would be 50%. Okay, so you wouldn't have final exam. Okay. So revision week, EIA 2011, no need to revise anymore. No final exam.
Assignment members, how many people?
I haven't discussed with other lecturers. Okay, we will post update. So that's it. So please do not be absent on 9 January and 16 January. That is your marking. So week 11, week 12, no class for 2 weeks. Christmas, New Year, please again have a break. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you everyone. I'll see you next week.